Gonna be making the DIY Cars Demolition Derby set. And what am I here? I don't know, but I did not make this little thing right here. I didn't make the track. I put this Demolition Derby sign on there. I'm using paper, obviously, scissors, glue, and a pencil. So I'm gonna need, even need some cars, maybe even a hospital helicopter because Demolition Derby is dangerous. And what you're gonna want next is some monster trucks from the tall tails, or the tall tails from Tomato. You got your helicopter already. And then you're gonna want, this is a Star Wars car, but I don't have the die-cast Jackson Storm, so I'm gonna use this. Then I found my wrecked Bandico Keen. So I've got two of the monster trucks right here with me. Chaos. Anyways, you're gonna be able to see that that there is the course. You probably can't read that, but it's got the Demolition Derby sign. And I hear barking like a dog. So if your monster trucks fit, so depends on where you bought these. I got this set with all the monster trucks at a TV store. Basically, this thing decides in which direction your truck goes. Kind of like a rodeo, basically. But if you go this way, you have to take the ramp. So it's really random, and you can raise this ramp. In order to do this, you can make your own, but I bought this at a yard sale. So I figured I would use this for what we're doing today. And then I've got my McQueen here for no apparent reason. See if he just exits. He doesn't want anything to do with this. Basically it for the track part, but the cars that you're definitely going to need are, first up, some of the tall tails cars, two of the monster trucks. 2 or 3 of the monster trucks would be fine, and then Foxytale, my cousin's YouTube channel, he has Miss Fritter and all the other Demolition Derby cars on sale. So if you're watching this, don't even worry, man. Don't, not at all. And once you have some of the monster trucks, you're pretty much good to go. And you can, if you want to, you can kind of use King, because he works a little bit better. Oops. This is going to be like a straight view of what I see of the thing, because what I see is different than what you guys see, because I'm the one making it. And it's kind of all for this creation part, and I really just I like it. So next thing you want to do is you're gonna want to cut out the shape of the cup that you win for completing the Demolition Derby, or winning the derby. I don't know if there is guaranteed a cup, but I saw something about it. So I'm going to try and make a cup in like a second. So you can see here, I'm kind of making the cup. This is the stand for the cup, and I kind of messed up because I didn't even make the actual cut. Bless me. So once you have a little thing like this, you're gonna want to get like the sides out, and then I'm gonna put some horns on the side of the trophy. Gonna make it about an inch long. And then if you can get your scissors back in the hole from the last time that you like very hard to cut for some reason. Don't complain if mine is bad, because it is bad. And see, now I'm like cutting the remainder of it. Shouldn't take really long. And here you have it. This is basically the baseline of the trophy. Once you get through with the outline of it, I'm pretty sure you should be good. Once you're done with that, you're really just going to want this, the demolition derby trophy. And you're going to try and glue this to something. Now, if you really, what I recommend doing is like pulling this above this to make it look cool. Where's my glue? Okay, so here it is. You're going to want some of this glue. It works pretty well for what I'm doing. At least I want to cover all the bits right here. Okay. And you're going to want to let that dry. And when you're done, the small piece that you cut out, you're going to put right on the top. There you have the little trophy on the top. And now that I made this, I'm kind of happy because I'll have this to play with. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little 9-minute DIY. And I'm done. See you all next time. And by the way, this is being filmed with the GoPro. This is going to be the first video up with the GoPro. Well, no, maybe the second, maybe the first. I don't know. But if it is, peace out. And we'll see you all later. Goodbye.